In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in Basecamp. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a powerful layer of security to your account by requiring a one-time code in addition to your password. This helps protect your projects and messages, even if someone guesses or steals your password. First, log into your Basecamp account as you normally would. Make sure you're on a trusted device and a secure network. It's also a good idea to have an authenticator app ready on your phone or tablet. Popular options include Google Authenticator and Authy, both of which are free and work well with Basecamp. Once you're in, head to the Login and Security section. You can get there from the Launchpad, which is the main hub you see after signing in. Look for your account or profile area, then find Login and Security. This is where Basecamp keeps all of your sign-in settings. Next, click Setup 2FA and follow the on-screen steps. Basecamp will display a QR code along with a setup key. The QR code is the fastest option, but the key is there as a backup in case your camera can't scan or you're setting things up on a device without a camera. Open your Authenticator app and add a new account. If you can scan, point your camera at the QR code and let the app capture it. If you can't scan, choose the option to enter the setup key manually and type it in exactly as shown. Your Authenticator app will immediately start generating time-based one-time codes that refresh every 30 seconds. Enter the current code into Basecamp to confirm the connection. If the code doesn't work, double-check that your device's time is set automatically. Time drift can cause codes to fail. After you've confirmed the code, Basecamp will provide recovery codes. This step is crucial. Save these recovery codes somewhere safe, preferably offline or in a secure password manager. Think of them as a spare key for your account. You'll need one if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app or change phones. Don't store them in plain text on your desktop or share them with anyone. That's it. 2FA is now enabled for your Basecamp account. The next time you sign in, you'll enter your password and then a code from your Authenticator app. With this in place, your account is significantly more secure. If you ever replace your phone, remember to transfer your Authenticator app before wiping the old device, and keep those recovery codes handy just in case. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.